Audio check one. Okay, we're live. This stream is in response to Without a Crystal Ball's need to find super chats. So she was recently monetized, Katie was, and I was watching her stream and she had expressed that she could never find super chats. And I realized that sometimes YouTube is a little bit difficult to find things in if you really don't know your way around, like you haven't had experience. And just getting monetized, stuff that has to do with monetization, tends to be a little hard to find. So I thought, at the suggestion of Vibrantly Brantley, that I would go ahead and cover this once, this just as a tutorial. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is the YouTube Studio. This is what you see when you go up and type in studio.youtube.com and it pulls up your channel. Now I use Google Chrome and was logged in as the NonSequitur Show. I'm not monetized on this channel, so I needed a channel that was actually monetized, so the NonSequitur Show qualifies. So the first thing that happens is you come into this beta version where most of the stuff isn't. Most of the stuff that you need to do isn't here. The previous version of the studio was far more comprehensive, if a bit difficult to find stuff in. So what we normally do, or I normally do, is go straight to Creator Studio Classic. And this is just a survey, and you don't need to take it. I've taken this more times than I can count, and it's always something is missing, or I have an urgent task to so I just skip it at this point. I have something that I know how to do here. So then you come in and you see this panel, and this takes you back to where you just were. So the first thing that we need to check is the live streaming console. Now the live streaming console, it takes a couple seconds to load up, but this is where all the stuff for the show is set. And you can see it's left over from last night's Fletcher Mania doubleheader that we did. So anyway, and you can see the super chats are right beneath it. Now this is the super chats from this particular show. Now there is a way to see all the super chats you've ever gotten too. To do that, you need to go into Community and click on Super Chat. This only appears if you are monetized and are able to take super chats. If you're not monetized, none of these options will be here. Super Chat is where you go. So, and this shows all the super chats that we've gotten from all live streams, and you can pick which show you want in this little filter. So if we just go to Slattermania, you can see that super chat from Nathan Thompson, from Solomon 109 again, rather. And if we go to the one before that, you can see all those super chats. So you can selectively pick which super chats for which shows you want to look at. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail because the NonSequitur Show is a brand channel for the show, and I don't want to divulge too much information about this. So on that note, I am going to end this quick little stream, and you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching.